students, welcome to Rajmudra Academy. From the context of geography, physical geography of India, we need to know about the coast of India. There are two coasts, eastern coast and western coast. When we talk about the eastern coast, it is emergent type of coast. That means it is not like suddenly the slope is increasing. It is gradually increasing kind of slope. So the depth of water, for example, Bay of Bengal, the depth of Bay of Bengal, it will not be suddenly increasing, but it is gradually increasing. On the other side, the west coast of India, it is known as submergent coast, which is like the depth of that sea in that area, Arabian Sea, it will be suddenly increasing. And from the point of view of port development, which will be important then or which will be more suitable? So it will be western coast which will be more suitable for the development of ports. And it is again not the situation that on the eastern side you are not having ports. There are ports which are created through the dredging activity, or there are ports which are simply acting on the action of tides, which are also known as tidal ports. But overall, we need to know that western coast, it is a submergent type of coast, and eastern coast, it is emergent type of coast. Thank you.